In this video, I'm going to walk you through the cleaning process of our Camplet tent trailer which we used this year during the summer. And because the winter is coming, I just needed to clean it properly so we can store it during the winter time and it's ready to hit the road next year again. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Martina and I'm sharing some tips and tricks about camping, campsites, and as well about our renovation project on the 25-year-old RV Dimitri, which has some water damage. But as you know, we are owning as well a camplet and we have been camping with the camplet for 4 years. And because winter is coming, I needed to properly clean it so we can store it during the winter time and we can go again on the road next year with it. As the camplet is a tent trailer, it's really easy to clean it and you can do it really fast. But just make it properly so you are not surprised when you are opening it next year. Because you know, when you are camping in the nature, some animals, small sneaky animals, can crawl inside of the camplet, and then if you open it up, maybe there are just few more. Not that it happened to us, okay? Thank God it never happened because we normally clean it afterwards when we come home. But this year, yeah, I was a bit lazy, so I just did it last week. And thank God nothing happened and everything's fine. So no surprises inside of the camplet. As I already mentioned in my previous videos, we absolutely love the built-in kitchen of the camplet. We always use it, and because we cook so much, it gets dirty pretty fast. So after every camping trip, it's a must to do a proper clean of it. And here are the steps how I did it. After I finished with the cleaning of the kitchen, I went inside of the camplet because of course the camplet inside has to be cleaned too. I whipped down the interior with a damp towel using only water because it's not recommended to use any chemical-based cleaning products which can damage the surface, or if you are cleaning the outside, you have to make sure you are only using products which are safe for tents. And then as soon as I finished the interior, I went outdoors. So I just cleaned as well the exterior, so the whole tent, the roof and every single side of the tent, so that I removed the salt and the reddish mud from the Croatian sea coast. When you finish with the cleaning of the camplet, please make sure that there are no wet parts of the camplet, so let's dry everything properly, because when there are some wet parts and you close the camplet, mold can develop. And last but not least, I had to clean as well the floor mat, which we are using inside of the tent, and it gets dirty of course as well. So after that, I was finished and now the camplet is prepared for the next season. So let me know in the comments if you have any other tips how I should do the cleaning process and if you are doing anything different. So thanks for watching for now and I will see you in the next video. Bye!